If you want a home theater system that delivers the power of an AV receiver setup without the complexity of running speaker wires everywhere, the ULTIMEA Skywave X100 Dual deserves a serious look. On paper, this is one of the most ambitious wireless surround systems released in 2026. The package includes a main soundbar, 4 wireless surround speakers, and 2 massive 10-inch wireless subwoofers. Together they create a true 9.2.6-channel Dolby Atmos and THX system with 20 individual drivers. ULTIMEA says it's the world's first THX-Tuned wireless surround sound system, designed to deliver cinema-quality performance with minimal setup. The biggest highlight is undoubtedly the bass. Thanks to the dual 10-inch subwoofers, the system claims to reach frequencies as low as 18 Hz while producing up to 2000 watts of peak power. Action movies, explosions, and game soundtracks feel incredibly powerful, giving your living room a true theater-like experience. The THX tuning also focuses on maintaining a wide, detailed soundstage instead of simply boosting volume. Dolby Atmos performance is another major strength. With 6 up-firing channels and dedicated wireless surround speakers, overhead effects and directional audio feel much more convincing than traditional sound bars. Whether you're watching blockbuster movies or playing immersive games, sounds move naturally around the room instead of coming from a single speaker. Connectivity is modern as well. You get HDMI eARC, HDMI input with 8K pass-through, optical input, Bluetooth, USB playback, and app control. The companion app lets you adjust individual speaker levels, use a 10-band equalizer, and choose from over 100 EQ presets to match your room and personal listening preferences. Of course, there are a few things to consider. Although the speakers communicate wirelessly, every speaker and subwoofer still requires its own power outlet. The dual subwoofers are also quite large, so you'll need enough space to place them properly. Finally, the 2000W rating is peak power rather than continuous RMS output, so real-world loudness shouldn't be judged by that number alone. Community feedback has generally praised the immersion and bass, but some users feel the marketing specifications should be interpreted carefully. Who should buy it? If you want a premium wireless home theater with powerful bass, immersive Dolby Atmos, and a much easier setup than a traditional AVR system, this is an excellent choice. If you're an audiophile who enjoys upgrading individual speakers over time, a dedicated AV receiver and separate speakers may still offer greater flexibility. Overall, the ULTIMEA Skywave X100 Dual is one of the most feature-packed wireless home theater systems of 2026. If you want to check today's price or pick one up, click the Amazon affiliate link in the description below.